After installing Lightproof from the Lightfunnels App Store, go to your Lightproof dashboard and click Create Notification. Choose the type of notification. You have 3 options: Sales, Visitors Counter, or Stock Countdown. Let's pick the Sales notification. Select where you want it to appear. You can show it on a specific funnel, set it per product, or apply it across your store. Then click Create. Customize your notification. Add the country, adjust your top message, choose the style, rounded or capsule, and set its position on desktop and mobile. And for more configuration, you can manage your timing, decide how long the notification will be visible, and how much time a visitor should spend on the page before it pops up. Save your settings. Now watch it live in your funnel. After just 3 seconds, your sales notification will pop up, grabbing attention and turning visitors into buyers. From your Lightproof dashboard, you'll see insights on your pop-ups, views, clicks, and closes. Install Lightproof now for free in the Lightfunnels App Store.